Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix your ROBOROCK Saros 20 mop pads not washing in the dock. First of all, make sure that the wash tray is clean. In order to do it, remove the robot from its charging station and then take the washing tray out. To take it out, just lift it and pull it out. This is the washing tray. It should be removed. And then cleaned. You can clean it like you would clean the dishes, which means basically using either rinsing it with water, and if it needs more, use a sponge and a cleaning detergent. And by the way, this moving part, there's a moving part, it can be removed by pulling this part up and then pulling towards yourself. Now this can be removed and it can be properly cleaned on the inside where some remaining water may collect. Now I'll put it back in by clicking it, and let's put it into the station. To do it, slide it in at a long angle and then put it down. Now the next thing that may go wrong is making sure the water tanks are filled and seated. The clean water tank is filled and seated well, and the dirty water tank should be empty. Let's do both of them. You can't really see the water tanks on top right now on the camera, but you probably know where they are. They're on the very top. You can remove both of them. Make sure the clean water tank is filled with water, clean water, without any detergent in it. And make sure the tank is clean itself, and then make sure it's properly seated in the charging station. Then the dirty water tank should be empty and also clean. Then make sure it's also properly seated. Now the detergent, if you want to use detergent, you should fill it in the detergent compartment on the left side of the dust bag. Make sure you're only using the cleaning solution recommended by ROBOROCK to prevent damage or corrosion. Now the next thing to do is to make sure that your water jets on the inside are working. So basically, once the base is removed, make sure the silicone water jet is not filled with something. Try squeezing it to see if it's working. Don't break it, be careful with it. And if none of that helped, try running manually from the app the cleaning. So I'll put the robot into the station. Then I'll open the ROBOROCK app on my phone, and you will be able to find the dock button once it's docked, and then you should be able to select wash, and it'll automatically wash it. And after it's washed, you will be able to select dry. Make sure that clean water tank is not displaying out of water and the detergent cartridge is not displaying low fluid. Then click on settings at the top right corner. If it worked, then you should adjust the dock settings by clicking on dock settings and then finding mop-wash frequency and changing it to a desired setting, and washing mode, as well as drying start method and drying duration, which should help. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.